back to court to try to derail high-speed rail. This thanks to some $200,000 in private donations. Indian River County commissioners have decided now to appeal its case against Virgin Trains, also known as Brightline, to the U.S. Supreme Court. WPTV's Treasure Coast reporter John SHAINMAN is in Vero Beach today with what's at the center of this controversy.
This has been a David-Goliath story from the beginning.
And for Jack Preschlack of Indian River Shores, a story thought to be complete will now have another chapter written.
In my view, justice is being served right now.
Preschlack went before Indian River County Commissioners Tuesday saying he and other private citizens had raised almost $200,000 so the county can file briefs at the U.S. Supreme Court against Brightline. The county has long argued against how the train used tax-exempt private activity bonds for its funding.
This is an astounding moment in American democracy.
Just last month, after losing in district and appeals courts, the county had decided not to pursue further legal action against the train, which had cost taxpayers $3.5 million to this point. Commissioners unanimously approved the private donations.
Getting together and supporting a concept and not depending upon government doing it all.
Preschlack said a personal friend, a former U.S. Circuit Court judge, reviewed the county's case and believed Indian River should have won. He said he wanted to make sure he'd done everything he could to stop the train.
I can't answer, no, I did 90%. You have to say, I did it all.
I spoke with some commissioners who say this actually isn't the first time that the community has stepped forward with extra funds.
It's a unique trend, but it's happened more often here than people might believe.
The odds are long that the Supreme Court will agree to hear the case, but if it does, the county will cover the additional $400,000 price tag of arguing before the nation's highest court. In Indian River County, John SHAINMAN, WPTV, News Channel 5.
And we have reached out to Brightline for a comment. We have not heard back at this point.
The Washington National